Hi guys, good evening. In case you're wondering what I'm doing here, I'm in my garage, my other garage, which still has a laundry room. This is actually where we're gonna be basketing the birds. Once we get to that point. But today, I decided I want to put the chips on my bird. So let me just show you. Let's see if I have them here. Oh, here we go. So these are the racing chips. Okay. These are basically radio frequency, RFID type technology. So this goes on the bird's leg, the other leg. So in my case, the bands, all my birds are, banded on the right leg, so this will go on the left leg. So this essentially, once I register it in the computer, when they step on the antenna, it registers their arrival time. So most of you guys already know that, but I also have new people watching my video, so I just wanted to kind of explain that. But what I'm gonna do, by the way, I'm the new race secretary of the club, so I'm pretty green with some of this stuff. Oops, I dropped my. Our resident expert is Bobby Rodriguez with the Tayano Love. He's been doing this for years. But we did get a new laptop, so I just want to give a shout out to one of our club members. He doesn't want to be identified, so he actually contributed $400 some towards the purchase of the laptop, because our old one was it doesn't. I don't think it supports it's acting up, first of all, and it also doesn't support the newer version of Pidex. So Pidex right here is what we would use to register the bird, and and I'll show you that in a minute. But the first thing I want to do, I'm not quite ready yet, but I just plugged everything in. So let's set this aside for a moment. So this is the club unit, the base station for the club. This is the same unit that you would use to basket the birds. Basically, they get scanned here. The USB port, let me just show you. That gets plugged in, that goes to the computer, to the USB port of the computer. And then this is a multi-port. So basically, as you can see, has this other plug-in for other clocks. Yeah, I think the Unicorn or Unicorn, whatever it is, uses that kind of port. But most of the Benzing one are the, these 9-pin type of ports. I can't remember what it's called, but there's a name for it. So as you can see, I have the M3 here, and let me set the phone down real quick. So that's there's like 9 pins in there, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. So that just plugs into the Benzing. Okay. So let me set that phone down again. So as you can see, it's booting up. Which one?
It's like red.
Yeah?
Who's that from?
I don't know. Tony likes that one though. Anyways. Yeah.
We'll trade.
Anyway, guys, we're in our garage / laundry room. As you can see, we're chipping the birds. It's like almost midnight, but I wanted them chipped before before the toss in the morning, just so you don't have to count them and stuff. We already did a few. This is Pidex. So that's the software that's used to record the band number, the sex, and the color of the bird, and then you have to associate all that with a unique chip. So it's RFID, and then we use this club system here to scan the, we put it above here to scan the chip. All right, love, let's do one. We're just gonna do one and show you, because can't hold the camera and do both. So first, I want to make sure that my wife and I have our own club name. So obviously I'm Ponderosa. I want to make sure it's set to that. If I was chipping her birds, I would switch it to Seabreeze Loft. But so we'll do Ponderosa, and then so you go to registration up here in Pidex, and then to add a bird, I normally click down below here. That way you don't have to enter all the other stuff I'll show you. So if you hit that, see how it pre-fills the country, the year, the prefix, and then all you have to do is enter the band number, which is, what's the band number on that?
1149.
1149. And then,
This is your bird. It's one
Yep.
of your favorites.
and then you go to the gender, which is it's a cockbird, and then this is a blue bar with white flight, so BBWF. Okay, and then you go over here and click save, and it's right there. You highlight it, and then you click on this icon, which couples that record to the chip. Do that, you grab one of these, and then it's not very, sometimes you have to try it twice. You have to do it twice. And sometimes the chip is probably just bad. Let's try a different one. Okay, it's really frustrating when it doesn't scan. You might have to close and reopen the birds are so loud.
Oh, they're attacking each other. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, wow.
Okay, so I think what needs to happen here, when you see that, when it doesn't scan, just close it out and then reopen it. Alright. Then go to registration, pick your fancier, and it's this guy right here, and I'll guarantee you it'll scan. There we
You're
go.
not in there trying to get
See how it's associated the chip number ID? So that's all you got to do. Alright, I'm going to put the phone down, because now what we need to do is put this chip on this leg. We're not going to show you because it's too hard to do, but basically you spread this apart and then you put it on. Alright, so that's it. Hang on, let me we'll put it on and I'll show you. Okay, so there you go. That's all you gotta do. You just spread the thing, and then I usually squeeze this so that it clicks twice. You see there's still plenty of room on the leg, so it's not gonna restrict their leg.
You want to showcase your bird? This is pretty cool.
So that's one of my favorites. Alright. Look at you, Melly. Spreading the wings.
Here you go, buddy. Get in there.
Alright. So we're just gonna show you one, and then that's it because it's so hard to do with camera. And then basically the next one, like I said, if you highlight the bottom one, and then you hit this icon, you don't have to pre-fill everything out. It pre-fills everything else, and then you just have to enter the number, the gender, and the color. Okay, so that's a tip. All right, be right back. Hey guys, check this out. I just noticed this. My wife noticed this. Look at this. This bird has different colored eyes. See that eye right there? And then the other side, it's got the pearl eye on that side. But we just noticed that, so we thought we'd show you. Anyways, this bird got attacked twice by a hawk. Got a hurt wing and still made it back, and it's doing well now. So anyways, just wanted to show you. All right guys, 40 more birds to go, something like that. It's about midnight, but I really wanted to chip this bird, so didn't want to have to count them anymore when they come home. And it's kind of nice to just know which one came back, which one didn't, and all that. So, but it's nice that my wife is helping me. So I'm gonna get this done, and don't have to worry about it. This is a little bit tougher to do because we're actually handling the birds and putting them in the tossing crate and all that stuff. So, but normally when I chip the other club members birds, they're gonna be coming here with their little baggies, with the chip and information about the bird. So it'll go a little bit quicker. But this one, we're having to handle the birds, pick them up, and then put all the information in, and then put the bands on and stuff. So it's a little time consuming. So we did 40 birds, and it probably took us an hour to do 40. And of course, we got to go to the loft and get them too. So that takes time. But at least you only do it once a year, so it's not too bad. It's kind of nice to have the golf cart over there. It's just, the golf cart right there. Let's see, yeah, right there. Because otherwise it's a long walk to the loft. So okay, well, we're gonna plug away here and let you know when it's done. I'm gonna continue this video tomorrow with us driving. I think tomorrow is 70-mile toss. I decided to do the last one was 52 miles, so I was gonna do 60, but I think the birds will be fine 70 miles. So I got baggies under my eyes. Should be sleeping instead of banding birds. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. All right, these are the last ones. Almost done. And we got all the chips here. See all the feather dust and things. Hi, love.
Oh, don't put me on here.
Okay.
I
Lovey doesn't want. She looks terrible, I guess. Seabreeze Loft. She has, I don't know how many, probably 30 already. 25. You got 25 registered.
Oh, you still have me at 26.
Yeah, so we gotta keep going. So this is what we have left right here. And we should be down here about half an hour. We got a few more. Any more ugly ones in there?
Calling my birds ugly.
Here's an ugly one.
I'm gonna tell you the ugly one's always gonna.
No, it's not. Oh, look at this. It still has the baby feather.
Oh.
Look at that. No, it's not. 18893. That's a hen.
It's not ugly. It's a beautiful bird. See? That's a winner right there. See? Beauty. Look at that beauty. Oh, look at that beautiful bird.
There's no category for ugly blue bars.
There's a category for blue bar winners that belong to me. She's looking at you like that.
There we go.
We'll go over that.
I think we can check this. 1172. $11.72.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. Who cares? Looks like a hen. Blue check. Save. There you go. The bird looks sleepy. $11.04. That looks like a hen. What do you think?
No, that's a blackbird. No? What do you think, Tom?
Looks like a hen.
And then it is.
11.04, right?
Yep. Oh my. Calm down.
They'll sell it down once we turn the lights off. $11.60.
It's a boy. I think this is supposed to be. I'm not asking about it.
Hey Rich, this is one of yours. This is the blue bar. The checkered one we already chipped. So here's the 240 NBR. So we're gonna go ahead and chip this guy and alright. So I just wanted to show you. So, molting like crazy. Growing its 7th flight right here, so you can see. But all right, just wanted to show you, Rich.